hello you guys, welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. Today is Saturday and my little one and I actually just went to the mall. I never ever go to the mall. I don't really know why, but I'm not a huge fan of shopping. I normally get my clothes from the grocery store when I'm shopping for groceries. But today I was kind of in the mood to go get some new items, so I'm going to do like a little mini haul. I'm going to try everything on and show you guys what I got. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys have heard of the store Q. I live out here in Phoenix, and that's where I first heard about this store. They're all over the place here. They're all over all of our malls. It's kind of like a Forever 21, but I personally think this stuff is cuter, and it's very, very inexpensive. So I'm probably too old to be wearing this stuff, but hey, it's cute, it's light, it's perfect for out here. I don't like to spend a lot on clothes because I'm a mom and I get dirty a lot. So I feel like if I spent a lot on clothes, I would get upset when I got all dirty and got, so this is perfect for me. The most expensive thing I got, I think, was like $13.99, and it was a dress. So let's see what I got. Okay, this first shirt I got, so this was originally $7.99, but then it was marked to $4.99. So yeah, it was $4.99. And it's just like a really light, cute, like little, I think it's cotton. But I really liked how it had like the little, right here at the top. I thought that would be really cute, and this would go with like any kind of shorts or jeans or anything like that. So yeah, I like that one. And then this shirt, let's see, this one was originally $13.99 and it was on sale for $9.99. And I just love this color. So pretty, and it's got like a little tassel-y thing right there that hangs down. I thought this was so cute, and it's just like a really light material because out here we're gonna have hot weather until like October, so I can wear this stuff for a really long time. Okay, this was like such a bargain. So this is a dress, and this was only $13.99. I cannot believe how cheap it was. So it's like a long maxi dress. So yeah, it's got like a little belt like that, and it's really, really long. It's so cute, super comfortable, and this one is perfect. It's really long, and it's just light and flowy, and thought this would be perfect for summer. Okay, so the next thing I got was this top right here, and this was $9.99, and it's just like a little white, kind of roughly flowy little shirt. It's a little fitted at the bottom. But it's long enough where it's not going to show my midriff at all because, let's be honest, I have a little mommy pooch, so thought that was really cute. And then these, I got two pairs. I thought these were adorable. I wasn't sure how they were going to look on me. I don't know, but I put them on and they were so flattering, so cute. So these were $7.99. $7.99 for these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these little shorts, and they've got like a little tie right here, and they're elastic in the back. These turned out so cute. And then, so I actually tried on these first, and I loved them so much, so I went back and got them in the other color. They're so cute, and for $7.99, you cannot beat that. But okay, so I did want to talk about these shorts. These, I have bought this brand at this store before. It's like Wax Jean. So yeah, that's the brand, and I know I bought these shorts at Q before, I think, but I bought these actually off of Amazon. The ones I have on right now I've had for a really long time, and I just loved the brand so much, so I decided to shop on Amazon, and I found these on there. So I have a pair of black ones and then another pair of blue ones here, and I don't know, I just love this brand. They're really flattering. I have a really small butt, and so these seem to like help me out in the booty department a bit, so I just wanted to show these to you guys because I really like them. But yeah, so there you have it. That is my little mini Q haul. I don't know if you guys have a fashion Q near you, but they have really cute stuff. If you guys can find one, you would love it. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.